going on, guys? Welcome back to Clay's Coins. I believe competence creates confidence, so I'm here to bring you some information, education, and better understanding of cryptocurrency and the stock market. It's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not an indication nor suggestion to buy, hold, or sell any cryptocurrency, stock, or NFT I talk about in this video or on this channel. If you may have noticed from the slight alteration in my intro, we're actually going to be talking about an NFT project today. And it's only fitting because I have actually been appointed as the head of cryptocurrency analytics over at Newman's NFT. You can follow him at Twitter at Newman NFT, like Newman NFT on Twitter. Credentials aside, though, we're going to be talking about an NFT project that I am so excited about, guys. Honestly, I stumbled across this not too long ago, and they're actually going to be minting pretty soon. I wanted to wait until I had a better understanding of when it was coming out, how many there were going to be, some different information so I could bring it to you guys, because as many of you know, when it comes to some of these NFT projects, getting in early and being able to have access to the minting and the whitelist, different things like that, are very, very important features of being able to make a lot of money. So, the project we're going to be talking about today, we're going to take a look at real quick. Before we do, guys, you know the drill. We'll keep it quick. We'll keep it simple. Go ahead and like the video. Subscribe. Right now. That's all you got to do. Like, subscribe. Done. Alright, today, guys, I have the pleasure of showing you guys the Exorians. The Exorians is a next generation 12,000 edition NFT avatar collection. 12,000, yeah. So keep in mind, when we talk a lot about cryptocurrencies on this channel, different things like that, we usually talk about things with supplies in the millions, in the billions, sometimes in the trillions when you're talking about some of the meme coins. So seeing anything with a limited supply of 12,000 is absolutely insane. However, and if any of you guys are NFT fans, you know that that is rather par for the course, and one of the reasons that you've seen different NFT projects literally change people's lives. This is a project that I believe will be life-changing in so many different ways, not just financially, but culturally as well. Each avatar of the Exorians campaign will grant the holder access to the Exorians universe, which is, this is really cool, a new media franchise which aims to revolutionize how media is created, owned, and distributed. This has one of the coolest roadmaps that I've ever seen. So I'll be completely honest, when it comes to a lot of NFT projects, there's very few that I think will be anything other than avatars, and this is one of the things that Exorians is making sure to put at the forefront, is they are not just a profile picture, they're not just an avatar, it's an entirely new gaming and media ecosystem that they're developing, and that's why I want to bring it to you guys, because this is an NFT project that I can get behind. And for me to say that, that's rare. I mean, before this, one of the only NFT projects that I thought was anything was the one that I'm actually a part of, which is Newman's NFT. So there's some really, really cool features about this NFT campaign, guys. I mean, the community is influencing a storyline of an upcoming comic series. I'm not sure if it's going to be a physical and or digital comic book series, but it's going to be comics. I mean, that's really cool. Shout out to all my anime or manga readers. Anything like that is really cool to me. It hits that nostalgia factor, and the fact that you'll be able to have the privilege as a holder to be a part of that whole community and that thing is really cool, especially when you think about the fact that they're in the development of a AAA play-to-earn game. Yeah, that's another reason that this made the video. So, generally, as you guys know, I don't talk a lot about individual projects or NFT projects at all. This is actually the first one ever. However, I talk a lot about media, different media cryptocurrency like Veracity, Gala, Engine, different things like that, which is NFT and media cryptocurrency. And I also talk a lot about play-to-earn games like Axie, Star Atlas, Illuvium, Forgotten Chain, different play-to-earn games, because this is, if you guys couldn't tell by now, the way the world is moving, especially with the metaverse being such a massive thing. Having the Exoverse is going to be an awesome option and a very immersive, interactive experience for you to have as a person. They're describing themselves as a community-owned cinematic and playable experience, which sounds really cool. And it starts with community-directed comics, NFT collections, in real-life events, an animated series, and a play-to-earn game. Obviously, time takes time. All of these things are gonna be, rolled out as they see fit. And that's one of the things that I am very excited about with this project, is the fact that they take their time. They have their head on straight. They have excellent goals in mind, and they have inked deals with legendary people. When I say legendary people, I'm talking about Thomas Vu, who is a legendary game producer, who is guiding the development of the AAA game that the Exorians project is working on. If you guys haven't seen a lot of play-to-earn blockchain games as of right now, they don't look that great. They may be, profitable or the future as of right now, but they don't look as good as a lot of games. So seeing the avatars look as good as they do in this, the sneak previews and stuff that I've seen, and then putting that forward into a AAA game, I mean, this is going to be a brilliant visual experience. Each of the 12,000 Exorians will act as playable characters within the Exorians universe, and holders will be able to influence the direction of the ecosystem as a collective through governance. Ethernity Chain is actually the people who put this on, and if you guys didn't know, Ethernity Chain has a cryptocurrency that launched on Coinbase not too long ago. I'm pretty sure it made one of my listing videos, but Ethernity Chain is an NFT marketplace hub that, in my opinion, has been quietly in the background revolutionizing the NFT, sports, media, that entire world. They've been doing so much, even with the market turning red. They have had their noses straight down, doing non-stop work. They've been grinding it out, and this is one of the projects that is starting to actually come to fruition that looks just incredible, guys. I mean, as far as I know, the Exorians avatars, which is kind of the gateway to all of this, are going to be minting this summer, and it's going to be on Ethereum, but I know that the Ethernity cryptocurrency is bridged onto BSC Polygon, so we'll see down the line how that goes. It's going to be closely followed by community directed comics, and the social metaverse and the AAA play-to-earn game are going to follow. I'm not sure if that's in chronological order or how that is, but that's going to be rolling out, and I'd imagine within the next couple years, we're going to have some pretty cool Clay's Coins members in the Exoverse playing some games and looking at some really cool media. And I want to show you guys a teaser trailer for this because, I'm if you guys can't tell, I'm really hype on this project. It's not too often that I bring you guys an individual thing, and there's a reason for it, so. The attention to detail is immaculate. Now that looks like an excellent trailer. That, if that doesn't get you hyped, guys, I don't know what you guys are doing, what gets you guys hyped, but that gets me very excited. One cool idea about this that they're going with is the fact that you're uploading your consciousness to the Exoverse, which may sound like a marketing strategy, but in reality, you really are, because once you're consciously playing this, it's kind of a dimension-breaking type thing. I mean, if you're buying an avatar, that's one thing. But once that avatar becomes playable, there's a metaverse. You have a comic book where that avatar is now developing and becoming part of a storyline, which then evolves into a AAA game, like a video game that's playable, which means that an infinite amount of things can happen in each individual reality upon that. This is, it's a very, when you talk in depth about it, this is really uploading your consciousness to an entire new dimension of the Exorians. And I will read you this right here. This is not a moment, this is a movement. We will no longer blindly follow the rules of your games. We're the degens of the internet. Degens, stand up. And soon, the silver screen. We're not an NPC in your story. We write our own story. One that you will read for generations of our world. A world for all. Built by all. Owned by all. One idea. Shared by 12,000 Exorians. It's time to upload your consciousness. All you have to do, guys, throw in your email address, join me, and get set up for the Exorians universe. You can go follow them on Twitter at Exorians, Xorians, at Exorians on Twitter. As you can see, they're only at 20,000 followers right now, guys, and they're climbing. I mean, this is Ethernity chain, 127,000. So, I mean, when you talk about the fact that there's 20,000 followers for this Twitter account, and there's only 12,000 of these that are going to be minted, you got to get over there, guys. Time's running out. Not financial advice, of course. Always do your own research. You can also check out their Instagram page, which is where you can get an exclusive look at a lot of these different avatars. I mean, just to show you a few of these guys, these look so cool. The attention to detail, the resolution, and the quality of these avatars is something that I love. A lot of different projects, obviously different projects like the cryptocurrency and NFT project that I'm a part of is a 16-bit project. So obviously the graphics are entirely different, but you can tell with some 3D avatars and certain ones that the quality just simply isn't there. The resolution just isn't there. You look at it and it looks like, it was made in 2006, but somehow it's coming out in 2022. These look like they were made in 2040. I mean, this is like 12K graphics, guys. These look so good. It's one of the best looking NFT projects that I've personally ever seen. And it only gets better. And when you look at the amount of different concepts that are part of these designs, it's so cool. So definitely go ahead and check out Ethernity chain, guys. That's the sports. Obviously, you guys know if you check out all the cards over there. I'm a huge card collector, avid basketball, UFC, sports, soccer fan. I played sports all my life. I've been a fan of sports for even longer than I've played, and any type of collectibles, anything like that, I've always been into. So sports NFTs are a huge draw for me. That hits home. And then when you're talking about the Exorians campaign, because if you look up here in the marketplace, you have your sports, entertainment, and then your avatars, which you can't click on yet. Coming soon. That's this right here. That's the Exorians. I'm trying to give you guys the sneak peek because a lot of people who are following Ethernity or who aren't following Exorians don't know about this yet. So go ahead and upload your consciousness. I'll put a link down in the description, link in the pinned comment, and we can all join this together. Alright guys, that's going to be the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I wanted to bring you guys a couple different things here. I'm going to be throwing in, we're still doing our microcap series. I have about 16 to 24 different cryptocurrencies, I think, for the microcaps left to talk about. So we have plenty to get into. I'm pretty sure it's 16 different cryptocurrencies. So like 4 videos. I've been doing about 4 cryptos a video. It seems like a good about 5 minutes of crypto. Seems to be about 20 minutes. You guys seem to like it. But I'm going to be throwing in these individual videos that are a little bit shorter here and there, getting more in-depth and going actually, rather than staying on CoinMarketCap and talking about technicals, actually going into the social media accounts and the websites of these different projects so you can really actually put a face to some of these things you're investing in and understand what they do, what they're going to do, what they have going on, different things like that, who's behind them, and instead of doing all this research yourself, you can just watch here. So hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell after you do to make sure you never miss an update for any of these really cool NFT projects or cryptocurrencies. When there's only 12,000 that are going to be made, or minted rather, then it's a very exclusive club to be a part of. So hit that like button too, right over there. I'm pretty sure it is. Not that dislike. Don't hit that dislike. Anyways, guys, go ahead and put a flexing emoji in the comment section down below. As you know, if you enjoyed the video, follow Exorians on Twitter, on Instagram, interact with them. I'll be over there. I follow them. I've been, I've followed Ethernity Chain for a little while here, so go check them out. Definitely, I'll put the link in the description for their website so you can upload, get a chance at minting those, and let me know if you guys do. I'd love to know if you guys are able to get in and mint. If I'm not able to personally and you guys are, I might be a little bit jealous, but it'll be really cool. So let me know down below if you're able to get in and make some crazy money on this. Have a great day, guys. Stay hydrated. Take care of yourselves. Look yourself in the mirror. Tell yourself you're doing a good job. Because if you liked, subscribed, and if you join the channel and you're a true supporter of the channel, you're doing a really good job.